finally time to take it to the frame shop. It's taken apart completely, inside out. There's the frame damage. There's the body damage. We've got most of the pieces in the back of the van, which is locked. The inside looks pretty crazy. Got the front seats out, carpet out, headliner, sunroof, dash. There's the main damage there. So we're replacing the firewall, the centerpiece, all that corner. There's like 3-piece layer. All of that's getting replaced. That should be pulled out, because in order to replace that, you got to replace the whole floor, and I'm not trying to do all that. So that should be able to straighten out. So all the parts are back here. Most of them, I'm still missing a few pieces, but firewall, side frame pieces, apron, fender, doors, which I got used. They have a little bit of damage on them, but they're white, and they'll work. Control arms for the passenger side, because the bottom one got tore up and that top one got bent. You can see where it's rusting. That's where it got bent. So I'm gonna have to buy these bolts also. I forgot about that. I'll have to replace the upper control arm bolts and the lower control arm bolts. The steering rack is completely tore apart. I'll replace that later when it's done with the frame work. So, all right, next stop, frame shop. Let's go. Unloaded. Let's get these parts out. Progress. The car is off the frame. They have the frame on the frame machine to get pulled out. This is getting serious here. I can't believe how bad this wreck was. But it's alright. After this, it's paint and assembly time. So it'll get done one day. Hopefully in the next couple weeks. So the frame is pulled out, everything lines up, everything is straight as can be. It's not twisted anymore. There's no steering rack, so the wheels are not straight, but that's no big deal. One thing that was found, that piece right there is welded on, so I'll have to replace this whole knuckle, which is no big deal. I'd rather change it now than later because I think that bearing's gonna be messed up anyways. But everything looks good on the frame. You can't even tell that was bent before. I still need to paint this a little bit, but that's no big deal. So the cab is going on the frame machine tomorrow, or this week for sure. That should be fun. We're gonna try to get a time lapse of that. Pulling, cutting, gluing, a little bit of everything. So, all right. I guess it's time to order more parts.